What if that splash of almond milk in your coffee hides a massive journey from orchard to carton? From California's sun-drenched farms to high-tech sterile packaging lines, making almond milk isn't as simple as it looks. And the process might just change how you see your favorite plant-based drink. With every glass comes a story of sustainability, science, and serious innovation. So, how does a hard little nut become the creamy milk in your fridge? And what does it mean for your health and the planet? Stick around as we break it all down. And don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening breakdowns like this. Almond milk starts with almonds, and California is responsible for about 80% of the world's almond production. These trees flourish in a Mediterranean climate, where warm, dry summers and mild winters provide the ideal growing conditions. It takes around 5 to 6 years for an almond tree to mature and start yielding a steady crop. The harvest season takes place from August to October, during which mechanical harvesters shake the trees, causing the almonds to fall to the ground for collection, hulling, and shelling. As environmental concerns rise, many almond farms are adopting sustainable farming techniques, such as drip irrigation to conserve water and bee-friendly practices to protect pollinators. These efforts are helping make almond farming more efficient and environmentally responsible, ensuring that every glass of almond milk has its roots in sustainable agriculture. After almonds are harvested, they undergo a comprehensive sorting and cleaning process to ensure only the best quality makes it to the final product. The first step is inspection, where any damaged or moldy almonds are discarded to maintain the integrity of the product. Next, the almonds are washed thoroughly to remove dirt, debris, and potential pesticide residue, ensuring a clean base for almond milk production. Some manufacturers also choose to blanch the almonds by briefly boiling them, which helps to remove the skins. This optional step results in a smoother and whiter almond milk with a more refined texture. According to the Almond Board of California, these crucial steps are vital for ensuring food safety and maintaining the consistency of flavor and texture. By adhering to these practices, almond milk manufacturers can guarantee a high-quality product that meets the stringent standards expected by consumers while also ensuring safety and reliability in every bottle. The true transformation from nut to milk begins with soaking almonds in water for 8 to 12 hours. This step softens the almonds and triggers enzyme activity that improves the bioavailability of nutrients. Once fully soaked, the almonds are blended with fresh water, using a standard ratio of 1 part almonds to 3 to 4 parts water, creating a thick, creamy mixture. This is followed by straining the blend through a fine mesh, cheesecloth, or industrial strainer to separate the solid pulp from the liquid. The resulting liquid is the base almond milk, smooth and packed with natural flavor. The leftover pulp isn't wasted. It's often dried and reused in baking or even as livestock feed, making this step both practical and environmentally friendly. This process not only produces nutritious almond milk, but also reflects a growing commitment to sustainable production and minimal waste in modern food manufacturing. Freshly made almond milk spoils quickly, so it undergoes specific treatments to ensure shelf stability and safety. The first step is pasteurization, where the milk is briefly heated to around 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds using the high-temperature short-time method. This effectively eliminates harmful bacteria while preserving flavor and nutrients. After pasteurization, the milk is homogenized by applying high pressure, which breaks down fat molecules to create a smooth, uniform texture and prevent natural separation. Some producers also use ultra-high temperature processing, where the milk is heated to even higher temperatures for a few seconds, allowing it to be stored unrefrigerated until opened. These methods not only extend the shelf life of almond milk, but also ensure that it remains safe, fresh-tasting, and visually appealing on store shelves, all without the need for artificial preservatives. To make almond milk more nutritious and appealing, manufacturers enhance it through fortification and flavoring. Key vitamins and minerals such as calcium, vitamin D, and vitamin B12 are added to align its nutritional value with that of traditional dairy milk. This helps meet daily dietary requirements, especially for those on plant-based diets. For taste, flavoring agents like vanilla, chocolate, or natural sweeteners are introduced to create more variety and consumer appeal. To improve texture and shelf stability, thickeners and stabilizers such as gellan gum or carrageenan are blended in, ensuring the milk remains smooth and consistent. Most commercial almond milk brands now offer a range of options, including unsweetened, organic, and flavored varieties to suit different lifestyle needs. all added ingredients must comply with strict food labeling regulations, allowing consumers to make informed, health-conscious choices with confidence. We hope you're enjoying it, so hit subscribe and the bell. Packaging is vital to ensure almond milk stays safe, fresh, and shelf-stable from factory to consumer. Manufacturers commonly use Tetra Pak cartons, PET bottles, or HDPE jugs, all selected for their durability and protective properties. The process begins with aseptic filling, where almond milk is poured into pre-sterilized containers using automated machines that maintain a sterile environment. Once filled, containers are airtightly sealed to block out air, moisture, and microbes, ensuring the product remains uncontaminated. Labels are then added, displaying nutritional facts, expiry dates, barcodes, and brand names, all regulated by food safety authorities. Among the options, Tetra Pak is widely preferred for its recyclable materials and its ability to keep UHT-treated almond milk shelf-stable without refrigeration. This advanced packaging method not only extends product life, but also reduces the environmental impact, making it a practical and sustainable solution for both consumers and producers. Once almond milk is sealed and labeled, it moves to storage facilities designed to maintain product integrity until it's ready for delivery. If the milk is not UHT treated, it must be kept in a refrigerated environment as part of a strict cold chain logistics system. This cold chain ensures the milk stays fresh and safe from the factory to the store shelf. For UHT-treated almond milk, ambient storage is possible, allowing it to remain shelf-stable for several months without refrigeration until opened. The packaged milk is distributed through various channels, including supermarkets, health food retailers, and online platforms, ensuring wide accessibility. Temperature control and inventory rotation are closely monitored during transport to prevent spoilage. These steps guarantee that by the time almond milk reaches the consumer, it retains its quality, taste, and nutritional value, completing its journey from orchard to fridge safely and efficiently. Almond milk is often viewed as a more eco-conscious choice than dairy, but it comes with its own set of environmental challenges. One of the primary concerns is water usage. Growing almonds requires substantial irrigation, with an estimated 1.1 gallons of water needed to produce a single almond. However, almond milk still maintains a lower carbon footprint and occupies less agricultural land compared to traditional dairy production. In response to rising environmental awareness, almond farmers are adopting advanced irrigation systems like micro-drip technology to reduce water waste. Additionally, many producers are shifting toward bee-friendly farming methods and responsibly sourced ingredients to promote biodiversity and protect pollinators. These combined efforts aim to make almond milk production more sustainable without compromising quality. As consumer demand grows, ongoing innovations continue to improve almond milk's environmental impact, helping it remain a conscious alternative for those seeking plant-based nutrition with a lighter ecological footprint. In the end, almond milk isn't just a simple dairy alternative. It's the product of years of farming, technology, and sustainability efforts. But as you sip that creamy glass, ask yourself, is it as eco-friendly as we think? And with the water required to grow almonds, can we truly call it a sustainable option? In the collision of convenience and conservation, where do we stand? Drop a comment with your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more eye-opening insights. We'll see you next time.